Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So how you all doing? I believe you are doing perfectly fine. So today's video, I'll be telling you how you can bring back your partner. You can bring back your boyfriend, okay? You can bring back your ex. That is if you really want your ex back. If you do not want your ex back, you don't need to try this because this is powerful. It may bring back the one you don't want. If you do it on someone you don't want back, the person will come back. So you have to beware and do it the right way. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I really appreciate you. Thank you for joining me today. And do not forget to subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified anytime I upload videos. So in this channel, you will surely be blessed. I talk about spiritual tips that will help your life in every areas of life. This channel, you will surely be blessed. Everything will go on well by the special grace of God. I won't be wasting time in this work. This spiritual work is highly effective. You have to do it the right way. You have to take it seriously because it works. So we're going to start now, okay? And do stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video. So to bring back your partner, you will have to get a piece of paper, a white paper like this. If you have a plain one without all those lines, you can make use of it. If you have the ones like this with lines, you can make use of it. Make sure it's plain white, okay? Like this is perfect. You have to use rose water because rose water has a very sweet smell. It attracts. It has the power to attract, to calm down. It's so calming, it's so cooling. This is so good. As it smells, it's able to attract and calm down every angry heart. If your partner left you because he's so hungry due to what you did or due to what he did, this is so spiritual. Rose water is so wonderful. You have to get it. And you have to get coconut oil. Coconut oil is divine. So I'll be telling you what to use it for, okay? So the next thing to do is to get a sea salt. If you can find a sea salt, is preferable, okay? But this is a kitchen salt, my table salt, which I'm going to be using anyway. It works amazingly. But if you can get those natural sea salt, it will be good, okay? So if you really want to get those sea salt, you can order it online. So sea salt brings back memories. It makes him to remember you, okay? It's going to make him to remember you. If he left you due to what you did or whatever, salt has spiritual benefits that it can help to make someone to remember memories, good memories of you, that will make him to come back or call you back, all right? So this is very important, especially if you love the person, if you love the lady or if you love the man. If you do not want that person back, you don't need to do all this. But if you really love that person, be it you are benefiting from the person or not, you just love that person, you have to do this. It works. So all these are home remedies. They are natural ones. You know, coconut oil, rose water is highly effective and is natural, and salt is all natural. They are not difficult to get in any way. So we are going to start now. After this, he will surely come back and start begging you, asking for forgiveness if he wronged you. Many people, they will just wrong one and they will just harden their hearts and refuse to apologize. Instead of them to apologize, they will end up dismissing that relationship. They will just, bring excuses and to bring divorce. But they know they are wrong. In that case, after this, he will surely leave his pride, leave her pride, and come begging you. In case you have him already, if you have a partner already, and he's behaving so strange, this will also help to bring that person's back, his mind back to you. Like, if you have a partner that you live together, both of you live together, after this, He will stop ignoring you. He will give you full attention. He will love you more. He cannot just do without you. Anywhere he is, he will just start coming back to be with you. He will spend more money for you. Okay? He will just be thinking about you. So you have to get a pen as well, because we are going to write down some things. So you have to make sure you know the name of the person. If it's your partner, your boyfriend, I don't want to say S, because most people, they don't want their S's back. Okay? But if you really love your S, you want your S back, be it ex-husband, ex-boyfriend, whatever, or your present partner, you have to do this. Get a plain paper, get a pen. You have to write the name of the person. If the person's name is John, his name, you write down John. You have to write his surname. If the surname is Michael, then you follow on with Michael. His name is John, surname Michael. John Michael. So you have to repeat it 3 times. You write another one, John Michael. John Michael. Just like this. 3 places, 3 times. You have to leave some space before you write the next one. You leave some 2 lines or more before you write the next name. Okay? So after doing it like this is the time to introduce the coconut oil. Coconut oil will do a good job here, and you have to spray or sprinkle some like this. As you do it, just make sure you cover the names with it like this. Okay? Make sure you are using everything natural. Coconut oil has to be well processed one, 100% natural. When you spray it, you just have to be rubbing it like this, as if you are erasing something. Okay, this is a spiritual work, and it means so, and the meaning is amazing. Okay, doing it like this is going to erase every negative thoughts you have for you or you have against you. If you have done wrong in the past, it's going to be out of his memory. Okay, be rubbing it. Make sure it's well soaked. The oil is well soaked, and erase it like this, as if you are erasing something. Keep on doing it. Remove all bad memories from his mind, okay, or from our mind. Okay. So this is also a way of, calming him down or calming her down. If he's very hungry due to what you did in the past, this will help to calm him down, because coconut oil is highly soothing. It's so calming. So the next thing to do is to pour the salt on the paper. You have to put the salt like this in the middle. You don't need to spread it. Just keep it in the middle, just like this. Okay? So remember, salt is very calming. It's going to calm him down and remove all bad energies and every evil work the enemy has done to want to separate both of you. So this is the time to add your rose water. And this is how to do it. You have to add little amounts into the cup like this at the 4 corners of the, look at it. Add it at the 4 corners of the paper like this. Add some amount. As you add it, you'll be praying and asking. Just be saying what you want. Say, as this rose water smells amazingly, that is how our love is going to heighten. He will remember me and want to forgive me in every way. He will remember me and think of me all through. Anywhere he is, he's not going to have any peace until he comes back. Just be dropping it like this, okay, at the 4 corners. Then the next thing to do is to add just a little, very little, just like few drops. Add it on the salt like this. You can see it. After doing so, you just have to fold it like this look at what I'm doing. Just fold it like this in twos. As you are folding it, you'll be saying, as this water is smelling, because rose water smells so fine, as it's smelling so well, that is how you will remember me wherever you are. So shall the love he will have for you be bothering him to come back. You fold it again like this. You fold it again like this. Fold it again like this. Okay, if you can fold it more, fine. Just make it small like this. After folding it, you have to keep it aside. So the next thing to do is to bring a bowl like this, you know, any bowl, okay, any bowl. Then add some amount of water. As you can see, there is water in it. So you have to get rose water and add some drops into the water, just like this. So you have to use your hands to stir it, mention your name, call your name, and be mixing the water like this. After mixing it, you apply it on your body. You say your wishes, say whatever you want. As I'm using this water to rub on my body, or as I'm bathing with this, because you can still use it to bathe. You say, as I'm using it to have my bath, so shall every good thing come my way. Those that forgot me will start remembering me. Your boyfriend, your partner, your whatever that left you will come back to you. You use it to have your bath. Only water and rose water. You have to be saying it as you use it to have your bath. After doing so all over your body, the next thing you have to do is to get the folded paper. Throw it directly into the fire. You can go to your kitchen and throw it in there. Let it burn. You have to make sure it burns, okay? Burns to ashes, if possible. You know, there is oil in it, which is going to help to ignite it. Just throw it in the fire to burn down. After this work, he will surely call you back. He may call you back immediately, okay? He may call you immediately. If he did not call you back immediately, you have to be repeating this, okay? You have to get another paper. Just do it again the next day. Do it again the upper day for 3 days. That is if he didn't come back or call you back after the first use, okay? After the first time. You have to repeat it 3 more times, okay? So after doing all that, he will surely come back or call you. If he didn't call back or call you back, you have to wait. You will see something great coming your way. That means that something great is about to happen to you, okay? That will erase that bad memory. So stay tuned to this channel for more helpful videos, for more helpful spiritual videos that will help your life in every ways. If you love this channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, share this video to everyone, okay? May God bless you all and take care till my next video.